Hi everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to pick out the correct level sensor for your application. Okay, so here we're starting at our home page, which is www.ifm.com/us, and to get to the level sensors you come over and click on Process Sensors, then you hover over Level Sensors, then you come over and click on Browse Products, and this will take you to the level sensor home page. Okay, now for each of these I want to go through the navigation. In each of these boxes you're going to see 4 tabs. You can click on those 4 tabs and see different information. And for the Select Products tab, this will take you to all the different versions of this product there are available. Like there are AC output versions, DC, and if you click on one of them, it'll take you to the different versions available in that family. And from here you can click on Data Sheets, and this will take you to the data sheet including wiring. You can also see accessories here, or operating instructions, CAD drawings, and more information. Okay, that's the data sheet. Now if you come back to this page, you can also scroll down here, and here are also the accessories that go with that particular sensor. Okay, so that's all here, and that's all gotten to through these links in here. You can also go to Key Features, which will tell you a little bit more about the sensor, where it goes, its options. You can go to Learn More, and you can find a video. You can find all kinds of different information about this sensor. If you click on Applications, this one's coming soon, but there's usually some applications that you can click on. It'll give you a photo and a description of different applications for this sensor. Okay, so that's how you navigate using these tabs. So let's talk about all these level sensors. The top row of sensors are what we call point level sensors. So if you want a simple switch point on the level of a liquid or solid, these are the sensors that you can use. These 2 sets of sensors here are both capacitive type level sensors, meaning they can see through plastic tanks or plastic pipes to look for the level of a certain material. And these are available in different housing styles. Now the one problem with capacitive sensors is that they have a rough time with buildup. If you get any buildup or foam or anything on the face, then you can get a false trip. These sensors, the LMT sensor, here and down here, these sensors ignore foam and buildup. Okay, and they do this by looking at the impedance of the material. We have 2 of these units that come pre-programmed for water-based material, and we have another unit that comes pre-programmed for fat-based material. We have customers that are using this sensor to monitor the level of a tank of mayonnaise. And the sensor can tell the difference between a full tank of mayonnaise and if the sensor is just coated in mayonnaise. Okay, these sensors are available in different lengths, and they are switch point only. Okay, now let's talk about continuous level monitoring. We have a series of sensors here that will give switch outputs and analog outputs. We can talk about them all. In my other video on pressure, we went over the pressure sensors that we offer. You can use pressure to monitor level. You can mount a pressure sensor towards the bottom of the tank, and you can translate the pressure above that sensor into level. So pressure sensors, whether they are external pressure sensors or submersible pressure sensors like this one, you can translate pressure into level. This sensor here is our guided wave radar sensor. This sensor comes with a probe that goes inside the material, and you send a radar signal down, and then the radar signal bounces off the material and comes back. And the time that it takes to do that gives you an idea of the level. These units are available with 2 switch points along the rod, 4 switch points along the rod, or you can get an analog output. And this rod comes up to 63 inches in length, and you can cut that rod to any length that you'd like. The LR guided wave radar sensor and the LMT point level sensor are both very well suited for hydraulic power units and coolant tanks and other applications like that. Okay, if you're in the food and beverage industry, we have these 2 sensors here. This is the LMT level sensor, but rated for 3A applications. And these are our pressure sensors rated for food and beverage applications. You can use all of these products to detect level. Okay, so that covers the majority of our level sensors. If you have any questions, you can feel free to call either customer support at 1-800-441-8246, or you can also call your local field sales engineer and they will be happy to help. Okay, so thank you very much and have a good day.